How to log in to Continental Finance credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to Continental Finance credit card online. Continental Finance offers several credit cards such as Fit, Sorg and Reflex, which are designed for people building or rebuilding credit. Here's how you can log in to your Continental Finance credit card account online. For that, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now on the browser in the search bar, you will need to type in yourcreditcardinfo.com. Now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Wait for a few seconds and then you will be taken to the official website of Continental Finance credit card. Here now, you will need to use your credentials in order to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, then you may need to sign up by providing your personal information as required. For that, you will need to scroll down and then click on this Don't Have an Account Sign Up link. Now, if you have the account, you will need to enter your username in this first field, enter your username in this text box, and then enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password in this field. After entering the password, you may also click on this I button at the right side of it and then check whether you have entered it correctly or not. Once after entering them, click on this login button right here and then you'll be able to log in to your Continental Finance credit card account online. And once you're logged in, you can view the statements, make payments, and check your balance along with managing your credit card online. In case if you don't remember your username or password and couldn't log into your account, you'll also get the option to retrieve or reset them. For that, you will need to scroll a bit down. Here, select this forgot username if you have forgotten your username, and you can select forgot password option or the link if you don't remember your password. By using this link, you will be able to retrieve or reset your password or username by following the instructions given to you. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Continental Finance credit card account online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.